You ever look up at the stars and think, does the universe have a sense of humor? Well, it turns out, yeah, it totally does. And get this, it smells amazing.
All right, let's just jump right in, because I know this sounds completely made up, but I promise you, it's not. We're about to explore this bizarre, absolutely wonderful fact that the center of our galaxy, yeah, it smells like a Caribbean distillery that's in the middle of a fruit festival.
So where is this incredible smell coming from? Well, it's all thanks to this giant floating cloud of gas and dust located right in the heart of our galaxy. Okay, so this cloud has a name, Sagittarius B2. And it's huge. I mean, it's this massive stellar nursery where new stars are literally being born. But what really blew scientists away wasn't just how big it is or where it is. It was what they found mixed into all that cosmic dust.
But how in the world did astronomers figure this out? It's not like they could just go and take a sniff, right? Well, it all comes down to some really brilliant cosmic detective work.
The hero of this whole story is this one little molecule, ethyl formate. Now, this is the exact same chemical that gives raspberries that sharp, sweet flavor and rum its classic smell. And astronomers didn't just find a little bit of it, they found trillions and trillions of liters of the stuff just floating out there in space.
And you've got to remember, this isn't happening just down the street. We're talking 26,000 light years away. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around that kind of distance, let alone detecting something as specific as the smell of a cocktail from all the way over here.
So how do they pull it off without a spaceship with a giant nose on it? Simple. They use radio telescopes to look for what you could call cosmic fingerprints. It's basically a four-step process. First, every single molecule out there vibrates at its own unique frequency, kind of like a tuning fork. Then, light from a star way in the back travels right through that gas cloud. As that light passes through, the molecules in the cloud soak up the light at their exact frequency. This leaves these little gaps, a totally unique fingerprint in the light spectrum. By studying those fingerprints, astronomers can tell exactly what's in that cloud, even from 26,000 light years away. It's incredible, right?
Okay, so before you start drawing up blueprints for a rocket ship with a giant straw, you should probably know there's a pretty big catch. This cosmic cocktail, it's deadly.
You see, along with all that ethyl formate that smells so good, Sagittarius B2 is also packed with some, let's just say, less than desirable ingredients. We're talking huge amounts of methanol, the stuff that causes blindness, and other poisons like propylcyanide. So yeah, you wouldn't get a buzz, you'd just, well, die. But hey, it would be in a very aromatic fashion.
And really, that just sums it up perfectly. It's one of the most fascinating, beautiful discoveries out there. But let's be clear. This is one cosmic bar you absolutely want to stay away from. But you know, this discovery is about so much more than just adding another chemical to the cosmic catalog. It actually makes us ask some much bigger, deeper questions about the universe itself. And this is the question that just kind of hangs in the air, isn't it? It's like finding a love letter written in a language that nobody can read. Why would the universe bother putting the ingredients for things that bring us so much joy, like flavor and scent, into the fabric of a cold, dead gas cloud millions of miles away?
Well, the writer G.K. Chesterton had this really beautiful poetic idea about it. He suggested that maybe, just maybe, the universe isn't some cold, logical machine. Maybe there's a sense of playfulness, of sheer extravagance just woven into its very nature. You know, like a creator who just really, really likes the smell of raspberries and thought, hey, let's scatter the recipe across the stars.
So look, whether you see it as some kind of playful design or just good old cosmic chemistry, what does this all mean for us? For us, right here, living our lives on this little blue marble?
It means we're the witnesses. Think about it. As far as we know, we're the only ones in the entire galaxy who can appreciate the sheer irony of it all. The cloud has no idea it smells like rum. The supermassive black hole nearby, it definitely doesn't care. We are the ones who can look at the data, connect the dots, and just laugh. We get to witness the universe's weird, wonderful personality.
And that's really why this matters. It's this incredible reminder that the ingredients of our everyday world are deeply connected to the grand mystery of space. The cosmos, it isn't some sterile, empty vacuum. It's a messy, chaotic, reactive, and surprisingly flavorful chemistry set that gives us the very building blocks for life itself. And what a powerful reason to just stay curious, right? To never stop asking questions.
So, here's what I want you to do. The next time you eat a raspberry, just pause for a second.
That flavor, that specific chemical taste on your tongue, it's not just from Earth. It's a tiny piece of a cosmic puzzle. It's a direct chemical signature from the wild, rum-scented heart of the Milky Way. It really makes you wonder, what other incredible secrets is the universe just waiting for us to find?